showed you the making of this, I thought I'll just add to it. So I'm putting it back into the machine. I'm going to put an initial in there. So it's now there, ready on the machine. I will take you to my computer that I design on. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Right, now adding a letter to that frame. This is my upstairs computer. It makes me sound really computer literate, but I'm not in the slightest. I've finished that one, so I want a new one because I've already saved that. So I want the letter, let's put an L in the middle of it. If you go over to your text, press on it, bring it back to your grid, press anywhere, and it will come up with this like a keypad for you. And you want, I'm going for the letter L, but I don't want it 10mm size. We've got the letter L, and we come over here for size, and we put it on 20mm, and press OK, and there's my L. Now I want it sort of in the middle, so if I move it down to where my crosshairs are, hopefully that should get me in the middle of that frame that we just did. So if I file, save as, and put it in my patterns, no I can't, oh yes, patterns there, put it under L, I also need it to be on ZHS. I haven't a clue what these mean, but that's where I need it on. So that's what happens. And then I save it into patterns. But that is telling me there's no stitch. I've not done stitches or anything like that. So we go back again. We go into stitches. Build a stitch. We want the region doing and the outline of it doing as well. Okay, that's all we need. And do file, save as, put it down as big L, ZHS, save, I hope that's saved to me patterns, big L, so it's now cut, go to the Galaxy tab, tablet, Stitch Pro, my design, loads of them, paste. It's now got it. So my tablet device has now got this. So if we turn it on, you'll see what we just did. my designs. I've got a big L there, so that's what I want doing. So if that's exactly what I want. So send it to the embroidery machine, and it's going, and it's now ready. Let's just see how that works. So we've sent it from the Android device to the silver Viscount. We've got our presser foot now down. The frame is locked in, the hoop is locked in. We can long press, and it should do the L in the middle of it. I'd have preferred to have done it at the same time, taking this design and putting L in the middle of it, but I thought I'd show you it can be done afterwards, I think. Android device says embroidery finished. And there we have it. Press the foot up because you can't pull the hoop out unless it's up. All the way out. And there it is. So we can take this out of the hoop, tear away all this, which just seemed like so much of a waste because you've got a lot spare, but it does need stabilizing while you're embroidering on it. So this is the way that I'm going at the moment. There are ways, if we do multiple of them, that will save it. Save you on using so much stabilizer. But that's not bad going. You can do it afterwards. Thank you. Bye.